In this video, we'll obtain and import the assets for our project. You can think of assets as just files containing graphics, sounds, behaviors, and more. Our objectives will be to download the assets and import the assets into our Unity project. To locate the assets for downloading, just follow the link in the assignment. Okay, I've already downloaded the Solar System Assets zip archive. It's in my Downloads folder here. I need to extract the zip archive on Windows. I do this by right-clicking on it and choosing Extract All. And then it's going to ask where I want to extract the files. I'm just going to extract it right in the Downloads folder. And if you are working on the Mac, the operating system will likely automatically extract the files for you. If not, just double-click on the zip archive and it will extract it for you. Let's take a quick look at what we have. You can see there are various subfolders within my Solar System Assets folder. There's a folder called Icons, which has a single PNG file in it, which is an icon that we'll use later. If I back up here, there's a Scripts folder. In the Scripts folder, we've got two C# scripts. These are two pieces of code that we'll be using in our project today. If I back up here, we've got a Sounds folder, and this has got a few different sound files. And once again, if we go back and look in our Textures folder, these are all textures of various planets. So for example, if I hit space here, I can get a preview and see that this is an Earth texture. Okay, we want to import all of these folders right into our project. There's, of course, various ways of doing that. But one of the easiest ways, if you can position your windows properly, is to simply drag and drop them into your project panel back behind here. So I'm going to select all four folders here and then go ahead and drag and drop them right here into the project area of Unity. And go ahead and drop that. And this will import the files into the assets of the Unity project. And within the assets, you can see we've got icons. If I open it up, you can see the actual file is in there. And of course, I can open all these, and you will see the various things that were just imported. The only thing not imported was the Scenes folder. The Scenes folder is given to you, by default when you create a new Unity project with a sample scene. So we have all of our assets imported into our project, and now we're ready to start building our project.